Hello, I'll be showing you how to share your InstaVerse environment that you created. Once you're happy with the prompt you've generated, if you go on the right down button here, you will see the location ID. If you copy the number, then that's the number you'll be required to provide us so we can access the scene. So for example, if I was to jump to a different one, please bear with me. So for example, this one is a scene, but then if I want to access the one that you created, you'll be going into community, no, ID here. So I'll come back, let me show you. So in a nutshell, you'll be clicking the glass button here, and the ID, you click on the button, and then you type the number of your scene and press enter. Then that way we can look at your InstaVerse scene, if that makes sense.